And this entire video I will show you that how the Pakistani tanks look like, and I went inside the Pakistani tank actually. So I will also show you the Pakistani tanks, how they look from inside. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and please don't forget to subscribe. Hello guys, this is Joel Emmanuel from Gujarat, Baroda, and I welcome all of you to my channel. And today the video is going to be a little bit different because this video is regarding the Longewala war, which was fought in 1971. And जिसको पता नहीं हो लोंगेवाला के बारे में, in 1971 there was a war between India and Pakistan at Longewala. Now Longewala is a place near Jaisalmer. It is 120 kilometers away from Jaisalmer. So whenever if you are in Jaisalmer, then don't forget to visit Longewala. Also don't forget to visit Jaisalmer War Museum. Now this both places are different, and Longewala is also known as the Victory Land because there were only 120 Indian army present at Longewala post, and they were not aware regarding the Pakistanis that they are going to enter India, and the plan of Pakistani army was to capture Ramgarh.
अपनी फौज का प्लान बताओ।
उन्होंने कहा था सुबह का नाश्ता जैसलमेर में करेंगे, दोपहर का खाना जोधपुर में करेंगे और रात का दिल्ली में।
So this was their plan to capture some of the states of India, but the 120 Indian army fought with 2,800 Pakistani army. Just think how brave they were and how strong the Indian army was at that time. तो अभी का तो बात ही छोड़ो, अभी तो और पावरफुल हो गया है. The most amazing thing was that when the 120 Indian army fought with the 2,800 Pakistani army, and after winning the war, the Indian army captured all the weapons and all the tanks which Pakistani army had. So all the Pakistani captured tanks and the weapons are kept over there at Longewala and also the Jaisalmer War Museum. So I dedicate the whole entire video to all my brave soldiers who are fighting at the borders for their motherland and saving us from all the enemy attacks in each and every conditions, in each and every weather. So here is the video for you of Longewala. So please do watch it. So guys, right now I am at Longewala. This is Longewala, but I can't show you more because I have to maintain some privacy. And this is a different place, and it is very lonely. It's very risky to drive over here, and we are riding solo. And before starting this video, I would like to share a small part. Hope you like it. And after that, I will salute all the soldiers who have dedicated their life for fighting for their motherland India.
अरे हम शेर है, शेर सिंहों की औलाद है, शेर किसी से डरते नहीं, जाके बता दो उन पाकिस्तानियों को हम डरते नहीं अड़बम्बों से, विस्फोटक जलपोतों से, हम डरते हैं ताशकंद शिमला जैसे समझौतों से। सियार भेड़िए से डर सकती सिंहों की औलाद नहीं है, भरतवंश के इस पानी की तुमको पहचान नहीं, आइटम बम बनाकर तुम किस्मत पर फूल गए, 65, 71 और 99 के युद्धों को शायद भूल गए। याद करो तुम अब्दुल हमीद ने पेटेंट टैंक जला डाला, हिंदुस्तानी नेटो ने अमेरिकी जेट जला डाला। याद करो तुम गाजी का बेड़ा झटके में ही डुबो दिया, ढाका के झंडा नादी को दूध छटी का पिला दिया। पाकिस्तान एक कान खोल कर सुन ले, अब की ये जंग छिड़ी तो नामो निशान नहीं होगा, कश्मीर तो होगा लेकिन पाकिस्तान नहीं होगा। खुले प्रशिक्षण है, खुले शस्त्र है, खुली हुई शैतानी है, सारी दुनिया जान चुकी है हरकत पाकिस्तानी है। एटम बम पर हिम्मत कौन दिखाएगा, इन्हें चलाने क्या बोला बाप तुम्हारा आएगा। अब की चिंता मत कर, चेहरे का खोल बदल देंगे, इतिहास की क्या है हस्ती, पूरा भूगोल बदल देंगे। कश्मीर तो होगा लेकिन पाकिस्तान नहीं होगा। पाकिस्तान कान खोल कर सुन ले, मत करना हिम्मत हमसे टकराने की, वरना विश्व के मानचित्र पर तेरा नामो निशान नहीं होगा। कश्मीर तो होगा लेकिन
पाकिस्तान नहीं होगा।
हिंद,
भारत माता की
जय हिंद, वंदे मातरम, इंकलाब जिंदाबाद, भारत माता
Now we
की
are at
जय।
Kuldra Gaon. It's near Pakistan border, and we are lost over here. We don't know where to go, so it's very difficult to find any village or any human being on these roads where we are traveling, and it's raining. He's Ranu bhai, है ना? Ranu bhai, and he helped us out with the way to go to Longewala. So Ranu bhai made chai for us, for both of us. These are some. Now I want you guys to judge where am I sitting. Here I am sitting. I'm sitting on a Pakistani captured tank which was captured by the Indian Army. In 1971 war between India and Pakistan, they really sued the Pakistani Army, and I'm really feeling proud to be here. Okay, recoilless rifle. This jeep destroyed that tank. This is the Pakistani tank. I'll go there and show you. As you can see the tank, this tank, the chain is destroyed. So this chain was destroyed by a weapon of the Indian Army. By this gun, this tank was shot, and on both the sides you can see the chain is broken, so that the Pakistan Army could not move ahead, and this was captured by the Indian Army. And you can even see the destroyed tank. This part is broken. You can see the spots over here. These are the gunfires from the Indian Army on Pakistani tanks. It's destroyed very badly. भारत माँ की चरणों में पाकिस्तान हमेशा इंडिया के नीचे ही रहा है. This is the recoilless rifle. This is the Indian gun which is capped over here. By this and that gun, they were taught a really good lesson, so that they may not do a mistake again to fight with the Indian Army. Guys, this is the Pakistani tank. How it looks from inside, I will show you. So this is how the Pakistani tank looks from inside. Here they fire the cannons. The missiles are shot from here, from the tank. And this is the gear shifter of the tank. Here is the place where the driver sits. So guys, hope you like the tank. And the truck you can see there, lying over there. This one. This is also the Pakistani truck. You can see the Pakistani flag on the truck. It is a 1-ton truck. This was also destroyed by the Indian Army. There is another small tank. Hope you guys can see that. This one. Again, this thing was destroyed by the Great Indian Army. This is the audio and visual theater. They show movie over here, so you can watch the whole movie, what happened in 1971. So you can take a snapshot of this place. And if you want to visit the border, you need to take permission from Jaisalmer and come over here. Only then they allow you to visit the border. As it's too late now, and we have to cross around 108 kilometers to Jaisalmer, and it's too dark and it's too cold over here, and the roads are really like quite risky to travel at night, because a dog or any animal can cut through your way. Some of them, they make fun of border movie, but after you visit this place, you will never make fun of border movie. You will really feel very proud, and many times you will watch border movie after visiting Longewala.
जय हिंद, वंदे मातरम, इंकलाब जिंदाबाद, भारत माता की जय।